As people increasingly seek comfort and mobility in their outdoor adventures, the demand for portable beach hammocks has surged. These hammocks offer the perfect blend of relaxation, versatility, and ease of transport, making them ideal for beachgoers, campers, hikers, and backyard loungers alike. This guide evaluates the weight capacity, setup ease, fabric quality, included accessories, and portability of the best hammocks available today. Whether you're solo or with a companion, there's a hammock here for every need. List 1. Wise Owl Outfitters Camping Hammock. 500 pounds portable hammock with tree straps. The Wise Owl Outfitters Camping Hammock stands out for its durability, comfort, and effortless setup. Crafted from high-quality 210T parachute nylon, it's both lightweight and robust, supporting up to 500 pounds. It includes 9-foot-long tree straps with 5 separate loops, making setup quick without needing complicated knots. Whether you're relaxing at the beach, campsite, or in your backyard. List 2. GOCAN Brazilian Double Hammock, 2-person, extra-large canvas cotton hammock. The GOCAN Brazilian Double Hammock is all about comfort and space. With a massive 330 by 150 centimeter surface, it easily fits 2 people and can hold up to 600 pounds. Made from soft, tightly woven cotton, it's perfect for gentle beach breezes and laid-back afternoons. Unlike thin nylon hammocks, this canvas cotton option provides a warmer, cocoon-like experience. The bright striped fabric adds a festive touch that feels right at home on the beach or patio. List 3. Sunyear Hammock Camping with Rainfly Tarp and Net. This all-in-one hammock kit from Sunyear is the ultimate solution for beach campers who want protection from the elements. It includes a built-in bug net, rainfly tarp, and durable parachute nylon that supports up to 500 pounds. Despite all the features, it remains surprisingly portable thanks to its compact carrying bag. The mosquito net offers excellent ventilation while keeping out sandflies and beach bugs. List 4. Timber Ridge Hammock Camping Chair. Folding hammock chair with backrest. The Timber Ridge Hammock Chair combines the relaxation of a hammock with the convenience of a chair, making it perfect for beach lovers who want to lounge without lying completely flat. With a 300-pound weight limit, adjustable backrest, and folding frame, it's one of the most ergonomic beach options. List 5. Wise Owl Outfitters Double Hammock. Lightweight, portable, and strong. This double-sized hammock from Wise Owl Outfitters hits the sweet spot between comfort, strength, and portability. Supporting up to 500 pounds, it's roomy enough for 2 adults and built from soft parachute nylon that's both breathable and weather-resistant. The package includes tree-friendly straps, carabiners, and a compact travel sack, making it one of the best value portable beach hammocks on the market.